Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have this Bilivein Wireless Lavalier Microphone. This is a plug and play for your Android smartphone. Alright, so right here we have the Bilivein Wireless Microphone. This is a lavalier. So right here you can use this with online teaching, live shows, interviews, vlogs and short videos, also review videos if you like. So this gives you coverage up to 65 feet with wireless transmission. Get rid of any messy cables. So this gives you a 2.4 gigahertz omnidirectional 360 view. You also have plug and play. Highly sensitive, so the microphone is very sensitive. So this has got a high quality stereo sound. It's got a 360-degree recording. Easy to use, auto pairing and sync without any app or Bluetooth. So you just plug in the main port into the phone. You've got the press the button on the microphone and it's connected. So right here we have the user manual. This tells you how to connect it, how to pair it. So this has intelligent noise reduction. It tells you before and after. This is a multi-purpose, so you can use this for interviews, live streaming, recording, conferences. So this just tells you about the microphone. This has a wide compatibility. The wireless microphone receiver with a USB Type-C connector is compatible with almost all Android phones. So when I'm using it, I'm going to be using it on a OnePlus device. So all you have to do is plug and play without any app or Bluetooth. It's easy to use. No delay in transmission. Clear sounds receptions. A 2.4 gigahertz auto sync noise cancellation. So this is what's going to be plugged into the bottom of your phone. This is the main receiver. So you could charge your phone while recording at the same time. So you can see the charging plug right here. This offers a hands-free compact size to help and easily clip onto your shirt, tie, or your pocket. So now this is the microphone itself. They do come with clips. So you can clip this onto your shirt, your tie, or your pocket. So it just clips right here. So this will provide professional full band audio, 44.1 and 48 Hertz stereo quality. This got real-time clear voice automatic synchronization. So you can use this up to 65 feet barrier-free connection at a 360 omnidirectional recording. Extensive versatility and compatibility. So with this, it's got a built-in lithium-ion battery, which works up to 6 hours. So you can charge this using the provided USB cable. So here's the microphone, and you got the pop filter. So that's what the top of the microphone looks like. There's your charging port. So you just put the pop filter on so you don't get that P's and the T's where it pops. So you just put this back on the top. And then you got the power button at the back. And then you do get the provided charging cable. So it shows you right here the charging cable. So if you're looking for something to review your videos or to do vlogging, this is a great portable source. So you don't have to drag wires or big microphones. This is easy plug and play, easy to use, no need of complicating settings. You just connect it. So here is the Type-C charging plug. So now I'm going to go ahead and pair this to my OnePlus. So it just fits in there just like that. This is the OnePlus 8 Pro. And there's the microphone. So once you have this plugged in, you want to go ahead and push the button. You'll see a little green button in the front. When it's green, it means that it's paired. If it's red, that means it's not paired. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this up. See, you can see the green button. That means it's paired. You can see on your phone it's saying that it's connected. So right now I'm going to go ahead and do a voice clip so you can see how the clarity is. So right here we're testing out the microphone. This is the Android wireless lavalier microphone for your Android devices. This is what it sounds like on this new microphone. So as you can see, it's very loud. I was actually close enough to the microphone, so it was actually a lot louder, and the pop filter, you can still hear the P's and the T's. Personally, myself, when I'm out and about and I want to do some recording and I don't want to bring a bunch of wires, I definitely will think about bringing this because this is a great microphone. If you like this microphone, I would go ahead and check this one out because this is a nice portable microphone for your smartphone.